And we just got a delivery from Mr. Chef. Lomazane was the Naya electric pizza maker is all about. Yes, the reason why the electric pizza maker Pro Plus from Mr. Chef is the number one, weil es ist nur ein Wort, ceramic. Ceramic is eco-friendly, it's gesund, it's healthy. Ceramic hat keine chemicals in it, so wie alle andere. Es ist stark, es kocht geht, es ist clean, es ist hygienic, es ist mamisch a Geschmacke. Machine to kochen in, when to pizza maker. Ceramic is the thing you're supposed to look out for. This is the first company to come out. Ceramic pizza maker. Here we took it out of the box. We have red for fleischicks, black for milchiks, 2 colors. Now let me show you a yiddish. It has a dial control. Unlike most other products like this, it has a dial control. You can set it how high you want the temperature should be. If you want something to just warm up, you don't want to cook it. You want to warm something up, put it inside, keep it warm as long as you want. Look at this camera, ceramic, non-stickable ceramic. It's a heart, it's a stein, it's ceramic, it's strong, durable. I'm not gonna kid it though, I want to show you guys. It has a handle. So you don't burn your fingers when you don't open up like a lot of other stuff. It's a nice little handle. Kannst aufheffen mit der Ruhigkeit, zu Geschmack, zu ruhig, zu bastig nicht, wenn die öffnen es auf. Zu lässt dich aufheffen mit der Normalkeit. It lets you do it. It's a Yiddish company, so you don't need to toivel it. That's a big plus. Okay, I want to make a little pizza over here. Let me test. Let's set it to 220 and let's go. A bissel sauce. Yeah, let's go for the cheese a little. A bissel cheese, gevre. Wow. Looks good, looks good. I feel the heat. It's kocht sich. Wie sucht man es schizzelt? Let's close it. And let's see. Mr. Chef, it is the new product. It's a geschmack, it's adorable. It's barely a minute and a half that it's inside and it's come out schon great. This is the mal of ceramic. Ceramic wird schneller heiß, sie wird a sach heißer wie Stamm, andere material. It gets very hot, sie wird schnell heiß und sie bleibt heiß and it distributes the heat equally. This is the starke Maler von Ceramic. Noch ein größer Maler von Ceramic ist, Schmutz bleibt nicht du. Bei Ceramic ist noch so ein Ding als Eierspeis, wo es macht eine Woche zurück, liegt noch du zwischen den Cracks. Nicht du als eine Sache. This thing stays spick and span clean. Hygienic is the most important thing when it comes to food. These 2 machines are pure hygienic. Nicht du als eine Sache, Schmutz für eine Woche zurück. The second you finish, it's clean. It's clean, crisp, clean. Wow. Mr. Chef, milchig fleischig, temperature control, which is a huge mala. You want to warm up a cookie, you want dessert, those hot cookies with ice cream. You don't want it to burn. You want to keep it warm a whole the so, a whole supper, dessert should be ready. Put it in there, set it to whatever setting you want, and you have it ready when it's ready to be ready. Have it available, the pizza git given. Electric Pizza Maker Pro Plus. Es kommt jetzt Yomtiv, man geht kochen als Sachen, man geht backen als Sachen, die Kinder sind in daheim. Handelt sich an von Mr. Chef, the herrliche, neue Pizza Makers, du kannst nicht verstehen, für alles, nicht nur für Pizza, for any type of food. 30 centimeters diameter, adjustable temperature control, new ceramics. Reinlegen the website do, mrchef.com. Reinlegen the website do. Wenn ihr likest on Perlowitz in the promo code, bekommst du 10% off on your order. So have a like it on Perlowitz in the promo code, verdient sich 10% off. Order is jetzt, in lass mich wissen, wie es gewähnt. Show me your pizza, show me your delicious yum the food. Have it out, my lechtigen Tug.